SEO Revolution, video number 12, Best SEO Tools for 2017. In this tutorial, you'll be looking at 9 SEO tools that are either for keyword research, competitor research, rank tracking, and link building. There are many SEO tools, but these can be better than the rest. Number 1. Ahrefs. Out of all the SEO tools out there, thousands of online marketers, small business owners, and SEOs prefer the use of Ahrefs to help them improve their search rankings. Their Site Explorer is the best among backlink analysis tools. Number 2. SEO Ability. It has 4 major tools/features. SEO Check, which will test your website and give you tips for better search engine optimization. Keyword Check, which will show you how well your page is optimized for your target keyword. SEO Compare, which compares 2 pages for a keyword term. Ranking Check, which checks your page's ranking for any keywords. Number 3. Longtail Pro. Longtail Pro recently went through an ownership change. Since their change, LTP has moved from being a downloadable application to being cloud-based, meaning you could now use it in your browser. Number 4. SEMrush. SEMrush really made a name for themselves over the past couple of years. They basically took competitor research to a whole new level. The best part about SEMrush is there are more than 20 ways to research your competition. Number 5. Pitchbox. Pitchbox makes your overall outreach effort 10 times easier than it would manually. Their email sequence feature lets you set up following emails automatically. They even have a couple SEO features such as link monitoring. Number 6. SEO Quake. SEO Quake is a free browser extension. It's like the Moz bar, except it pulls up more of the page's data. Some of the page data or metrics it shows are the number of external links, Google Index, SEMrush Rank, Alexa Rank, Web Archive Age, Domain Age, and more. Number 7. SEO Optimizer. SEO Optimizer will help you know your website's SEO. It'll show you yours on-page metrics, such as keyword usage and user experience. Example, speed and mobile responsive. It'll also show off-page metrics, such as backlink profile, domain authority, a Moz metric. Number 8. Link Miner. Broken link building on steroids. Link Miner takes it to the next level. Before Link Miner, the Check My Links extension was the go-to tool for checking a page's links. But the difference between the two is Link Miner gives you more about the broken link. Number 9. Authority Labs. Authority Labs is a rank tracking and SERP monitoring tool that gives you the ability to track results by country, city, or even postal code, which has rarely been done before. The tool gives you your whole keyword, their rank position, and their search volume. Whether you like it or not, SEO is a big part of your online business. It's the largest source of free organic traffic, leads, and customers. The 9 SEO tools we share above will help achieve high rankings in 2017. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson.